Hey, what's up, guys? Carlos here with Bulls of Crypto. Today's review will be on Audius audio. So let's get down to it. So Bitcoin did drag the market. We saw what happened. It's inevitable sometimes with those drags. They happen. A lot of fake news came out that China's banning crypto, but they're really not. Investors are still able to invest in crypto, just not on a bigger scale. They're limiting some companies from investing, but regular individuals can still invest. They're just using that for control, essentially. So, um, we saw what happened with Elon saying that Bitcoin, unfortunately, or he believes, causes too much consumption of energy, which we know what harvest or when he's trying to harvest his battery power and whatnot, what everything's going on with that. But whatever, that's another story. That's here nor there. Let's get down to it. So we do see that they have pinned these trap areas to the left over here, these levels of consolidation. Anytime you want to look for traps, you want to look for areas of interest to the left hand side. Usually they'll trap in between those areas and then take off. If this does continue running, then we should start to see a flip soon. We'll see a bit of a consolidation here and then a possible pattern start to play out around this area. Maybe possible if we have a safety trade. We do have a bigger pattern already in here. You want to look for ideally some form of harmonic pattern would be ideal to indicate a type of a safety trade. That's ideally what we're looking for. So we'll see how this plays out. Overall, we'll see what happens. We're still bullish on the market, regardless of these pullbacks that are happening for Bitcoin. Pretty much they went and they hit the low of the start of the year, and it looks like they're starting to trap at that area. They may go a little bit lower, retest some lows from Q4. But for the most part, that's what they did. It looks like they had reset the low of the year, which makes sense because we're already, almost in the second quarter of the year. So they got to take some money back. That's just how the markets move sometimes. And then we'll see how this plays out. But Audius, if it does start to flip off of this zone, this 1.275 may even come down to around maybe even the dollar area if it continues to fall. If it does fail that dollar area, next area of interest would be that 75-cent area. So we'll watch how this plays out. Again, all of this is dependent on how essentially Bitcoin moves. Unfortunately, a lot of the market does follow Bitcoin. There was a lot of red in the market today. So we'll see how this plays out. We do expect, because of this significant pullback consolidation to happen, we do have a bit of a consolidation zone here. If we want to look at this in a bigger picture, we have one run, we have second run, and then we should see consolidation, then another third run up, but we'll keep our eyes on it and continue watching. We don't believe that the uh, bull run is done. We do believe that this is just a pullback. It's happened. It's natural in the markets. It's supposed to happen. So you just got to be ready for it. For those that invest in the dip, I personally bought some projects during the dip. That's just me. So for anyone that grabbed a couple things on sale today, good for you. For anyone that's sold, if you made profit, hey, you made profit. But I'm in this for long term, so I've been holding some coins since 2017, since the high when I was first learning how to trade. I bought at the high, so these bearish runs or these pullbacks don't scare me. So we'll see how this plays out. Again, in this for long term. So if this does move, then we're expecting this to break above that $5 area and then continue to the upside. So we'll see how this plays out, guys. If you have any projects you want reviewed, drop them in the comments. More than happy to get that done for you guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment, and tell a friend. And when you do subscribe, make sure to click the bell to turn on your notifications so you do not miss a single update. All right, guys, until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.